Mr. Mason. My name's Aaron. I'm a service tech here at TrustFord in Ashton, and I'll be looking after your vehicle for you today. When you receive your vehicle back, you'll also receive a vehicle health check, which consists of 3 different stages. Green meaning it's all okay, yellow something that needs to be done in the next couple of months towards the next service, and red meaning needs your immediate attention. So if we go to the underside of your vehicle, as you can see, everything's nice and dry. So I am draining your oil as we speak, so that will be all nice and clean for you when you get your vehicle back. Auxiliary belt all seems okay, it's not cracking and perching at all. So if we go up to the driver's side front, so at the top you've got your spring, shock absorber, brake line into the metal brake line, anti-roll bar drop link, anti-roll bar, drive shaft, trapward end, trapward arm, lower suspension arm, bottom ball joint, lower suspension arm, front bush and rear bush. So all the suspension components on the driver's side front are all okay and doing what they're supposed to be doing. So if we make our way to the passenger side front, so at the top again, all the spring components, shock absorber, brake line, drive shaft, trapward end, trapward arm, lower suspension arm, bottom ball joint, lower suspension arm, front bush and rear bush. All the suspension components on the passenger side front are all good and doing what they're supposed to be doing. So minimum thickness for your brakes on the front of this type of vehicle are 23mm. As you can see there, yours are on about 23.7, 23.6. So you've still got a little bit of life left in them. Pads, however, are in the red of 3mm, so you do need doing pretty soon. So it might be worth getting your distant pads done at the same time. So if we make our way to the centre of the vehicle again, and we'll have a little look at your exhaust system, as you can see just up there. We'll make our way to the rear of the vehicle, so you've got your brake lines and your fuel lines, they're all okay, not leaking, which is always a good sign. The exhaust system's got a little bit of surface corrosion on it, absolutely not causing no issues at the minute. So we're on the passenger side rear now, so as you can see your spring, all okay, all doing what it's supposed to be doing. Shock absorber is absolutely fine, doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, there's no leakage. Lower suspension arm, inner and outer bushes are fine, anti-roll bar drop link fine, anti-roll bar D-rubber bush is fine, a couple of little link arms in between, they're all good. And just up through there we've got your trailing arm bush, absolutely fine. So minimum thickness for the rear brakes on this vehicle are 9, as you can see there, yours are on 10mm, still got a little bit of life left in them. Just find my pad wear indicator a second. So on the rears you're on 4mm, which is in the advisory stage, so we'll do with a set of pads on there. So we go over to the driver's side rear, so again shock absorber absolutely fine, spring absolutely fine, a little bit corroded, not causing any issues whatsoever. Anti-roll bar drop link, anti-roll bar D-rubber bush, all good. A couple of little link arms in between, absolutely fine. And you've got your rear trailing arm bush, absolutely fine. So if you go have a look at your tyres, so we're on the passenger side front now. So you've got outer centre 3/4 of the tread, you're on 3.17. Centre, you're on 2.9. And on the outer centre 3/4, you're on 3.64. We've also got a puncher in this one as well. I'm going to avoid this tyre as well because it's under 3mm. We'll W stopping distances anywhere under 3mm, so we do advise. Passenger side rear now. Outer centre 3/4, you're on 5.17. And in the centre, you're on 5.67. And on the outer centre 3/4, you're on 5.68. This tyre's slightly out of shape, other than that, it's all okay. So we're on your driver's side front now. Outer centre 3/4, you're on 3.55, and in the centre you're on 2.99, and on the outer, sorry, we're opposite the way, and on the outer you're on 3.83. So again, I'm going to advise this one because it is under 3mm, it does double your stopping distances. The passenger side rear now, 5.85, and 6.17, and 5.35. Again, slightly out of shape, not causing any issues whatsoever at the minute. So the only things I'm going to advise today is your front distant pads, distant close to minimum thickness, pads are in the red, rear pads advised, they're in the yellow, front 2 tyres as well because they're under 3mm, and your passenger side front has got a puncher, and Ford recommended brake fluid change every second service, so yours is due now. Thank you very much for popping into TrustFord Ashton, one of our service advisors will contact you shortly.